My package has finally arrived. I know what it is, and we really need it. You know what happened the other day? The frickin' Keurig Coffee Maker crapped out. I had no coffee for a couple days. Oh, it's a mighty big box for a coffee maker, don't you think? Maybe it's not my coffee maker. Let's find out. It's the old box, inside a box, inside a box. Keurig K-Supreme+ coffee maker. I think I'm gonna like it. Wow, that's not working at all. Hold on. We gotta get a top view. Maybe. I don't know. I don't like it. We'll put it over there. Man. Let's get brewing. I know what this is. This is the holds the filters. They gave you one. Very nice. Two filters. Oh, this is in case you don't have K-cups. It's a little built-in filter. Very nice. Okay, now, as I remember in the past, I have to rinse and wash the reservoir thoroughly. Set some things, and I should be good to go. This is going to turn into a long ass video. Check this baby out. Alright, I'm not going to film myself. Oh, like I say, the little rat bastards, one more piece of tape. Like I said, I'm not going to film myself washing and rinsing, but we'll come back and I'll show you how it operates. Okay, reservoir is rinsed out. Little now you're supposed to normally, from previous ones, soak these in water, but I have to run a whole thing of water through, so I'm skipping that. I'm skipping that step. That goes thusly. This goes thusly, and we place it. And she's all set to go. I'll go set this thing up in its proper location. We'll rinse it out, and then we'll test it out. It's all going to be good. These are great freaking coffee makers. Keurig coffee makers. Heads up. Thumbs up, heads up. Thumbs up, Keurig. I love your coffee makers. Okay, check this new bad boy out. We have 4 ounce, 6 ounce, 8 ounce, 10 ounce, 12 ounce. We have over ice. We have, you can memorize 1, 2, 3 different automatic cup sizes. You can adjust the strength. See it flashing? And you can adjust the water temperature there. This thing is unbelievable. Like I said, thanks, Keurig. You're the best. Now let's rinse this sucker. Well, everybody, I hope you liked that unboxing and that kind of long, drawn-out video about me getting that Keurig all ready, but nothing stinks more than not being able to have your second, third, fourth, 2, 5, whatever, however many cups of coffee you drink in a day when you don't have a coffee maker nearby. And it's not like I have to go far. Dunkin' Donuts is all of 2 minutes away, but I'm very glad that I have a new Keurig. It works well. Again, thank you, Keurig. You make a fantastic product. I really appreciate it. So that's it for today. Have a great day, great night, whenever the hell you're watching this. Be well, stay safe, and hopefully I get to see you all again real soon. Peace out.